Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We're going to replace this radiator cap. You want to make sure that the engine is cold whenever you take this radiator cap off. Some of the signs that you have a bad radiator cap could be that the radiator cap itself is not releasing the pressure and it's causing the engine to boil over, and that would cause an overheating issue. Another sign would be that the hoses are collapsed over here, and also the coolant reservoir full of coolant or overflowing. That would be caused by the vacuum system, the vacuum return in the cap that could be stuck closed, and that's a sign that it's bad. And also it could be leaking or it could be sucking in air because of a bad seal. So at this point we are going to twist this off to the left. There should be 2 tabs to go through. There's the radiator cap. That would be the vacuum return side, and then the spring side, and then the seals. And here's our old radiator cap. Here's our new radiator cap from 1aauto.com. They're similar designs, same seals, same retainers that hold it on. So what we'll do at this point, we'll install this. We're going to line this up with the tabs. Go this way, and then it's going to be 1 click, and then you're going to do another click.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.